Let's make Barnyard Millet Dhokla today. This is an instant no-fuss dhokla recipe that turns out soft, fluffy and tasty. It is perfect for breakfast, tea time snack or even during fasting. To start with, we need 1 cup of barnyard millet, which is also known as bhagar, sama or varai. Add this to a mixer jar along with sabudana and blend it to a fine powder. Once that is done, transfer the mixture to a bowl, add 1 cup of curds and mix it well. Cover it and set it aside for at least 30 minutes to let it soak. While the batter is resting, let's make the green chili and ginger paste. Take 3 green chilies and a small piece of ginger, crush them together in a mortar and keep this paste aside. Now let's check on our dhokla batter. To this, add some salt, the chili ginger paste we just made, and a little water if needed to get the right consistency. Mix everything well and then add a pinch of baking soda. Give it a good mix again until everything is nicely combined. Next, grease a plate or dhokla tray with a bit of oil and pour in the batter. Steam it for about 8 to 10 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once it is steamed, let it cool slightly before cutting it into squares or diamonds, whatever shape you prefer. Look at the dhokla. They have turned out so fluffy and soft. Now let's prepare the tadka. Heat little oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, sesame seeds, few green chilies and some curry leaves. Let them splutter and then pour this tadka over the dhokla pieces. Finally, garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. Serve your delicious Barnyard Millet Dhokla with green chutney. If you like the recipe, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such easy recipes.